Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a cold start on the 1971 Chevy C10 pickup with a 350 small block in it.
Not very cold.
Yeah, today actually warmed up quite a bit, so it's nice out, but it hasn't run since what, November?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it is currently February, so did a cold start video for you.
It could be better than the outside. Wow, there's not much gas left.
Oh, she's cranking a bit though. You're probably gonna let the choke out. Got our bottle of coolant right there. She's running. She's alive.
Not on all cylinders, but it's running.
Is it not?
No, I need some more love.
Yeah, sounds a little off. Are you gonna take it out?
Yeah.
I'm filming the video. Alright, Jules gonna pull her out. Hopefully she doesn't die. Yeah, it does sound good. Oh. She sounds and she looks good. The old C10. Alright, she's warmed up, so she's firing on all of them now. We're gonna see if she runs on low idle. Yeah? Let's go for a spin. Oh yeah.
It's hitting on all eight. What? I said, what the flip, bro?
We'll be right back. Nice February day. This truck is fun. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting a little low on fuel. You don't think so?
This thing gets good fuel economy. It's a hybrid. Gas, oil, coolant.
Yeah.
burn mark's still there.
From what?
From my truck.
Where? Oh, the burnout?
Yeah, it's still there.
From doing the burnout, yeah. Yeehaw! Yay, yay! She runs good. Real good. Oil pressure's good in that.
Yeah.
Hammer, get out. Ugh. Hey, tearing up the driveway. That's what I'm talking about. Why don't you just park it back in the hole? We can park it in the garage?
Oh, like leave it outside?
Just park it in the garage. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the cold start. Peace out.